Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional painter, the Lachamp 10-pack red painter's tape. This product is hailed as one of the best thin red tapes available on the market. Let's explore why it's such a standout choice. Let's start with what makes this tape special. It comes in a convenient pack of 10 rolls, each measuring 1 inch wide. This size is perfect for precision masking and detailing in painting projects, whether you're working on walls, furniture, or any other surface. One of the key features of the Lachamp painter's tape is its high-quality adhesive. It adheres firmly to surfaces without leaving behind any residue or damaging the underlying paint or finish. This ensures clean lines and professional results every time. What I love about this tape is its versatility. It's not just for painters. You can use it for a variety of crafting projects, labeling, or even temporary repairs around the house. The ease of tearing and applying makes it a go-to choice for both beginners and experienced users. Durability matters, especially when you're in the middle of a project. The Lachamp tape is designed to withstand the rigors of painting and masking. It holds up well against paint bleed through and stays in place until you're ready to remove it. Now, let's talk about value. With 10 rolls in a pack, this product offers excellent bang for your buck. Whether you're a professional contractor stocking up or a homeowner tackling weekend projects, you'll appreciate the affordability and performance of this tape. Compared to other painters' tapes on the market, the Lachamp stands out for its combination of quality, affordability, and ease of use. It competes well with more expensive brands while delivering comparable results. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips for using this tape effectively. Ensure the surface is clean and dry before applying. Press down firmly along the edges to secure the tape. Remove the tape at a 45-degree angle for clean, sharp lines. In conclusion, the Lachamp 10-pack red painter's tape is a standout choice for anyone looking to achieve professional-grade results in their painting and crafting projects. Its quality, ease of use, and affordability make it a must-have in your toolkit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.